Hello, welcome to JewelSteps. In this video, we will have a look after one of the function named as old jewelry scrap. So, basically, in this video, we will have a look when a customer is selling you the old jewelry scrap, how to make the invoice, and how to stock in that product after refining. So, let's go to transaction, old jewelry scrap invoice. Select the customer name over here. I am taking it as ACJ Jewellery. Now let's add the item. If you have the existing one, you can select from the drop down, or you want to create the new product, you can create that also by clicking on the plus icon. Now let me enter all the details. Now let's add it and save this scrap invoice. Before that, if you are providing the cash, you can enter that also, or if they are purchasing some another item, so you can enter that also. Currently I am taking the cash and saving this. Now let's check the old jewelry scrap invoice in report and transaction report. Old jewelry scrap invoice, it's been created. Now let's again go to transaction and old jewelry scrap. As you can see over here, the ACG jewelry, the old jewelry scrap invoice is been created. If you want to refine that, just click on the checkbox and provide it to job work order refinery. Or if you want to stock in that particular product, just scroll it and click on the stock in button. Even you can change the item name over here. If I am taking this item as bracelet, and after refining there might be some loss, so you can enter that also. Now let's add this item. Let's check whether the physical stock report is created or not. For that, report and transaction report. The physical stock is been now created, so you can stock in the refined product from the old jewelry scrap and also create the invoice for that. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you understood the topic and stay tuned for the further ones.